Good morning, boys and girls. Today we're going to be learning the cursive R. You will see over here that this is the manuscript R, how it comes down, back up, and around. Well, the cursive R is going to start at the bottom line and undercurve up to the dotted line. So you undercurve up, you come down a little bit, and then you come back in, curve it in like that. And that is the cursive R. So over here I'm going to trace these R's. We're going to go up and around, up, slant down, and then curve it around like that. Up, slant down, and curve it around. Up, slant down, and curve it around. Okay, now we're going to come down here and we're going to write some R's. You start at the line, you come up, slant down, and curve it around. Up, slant down, and curve it around. Okay, now you practice making your R's. You can pause the video and trace your R's and write your R's. Okay, now down here we're going to join the R and some other letters. Okay, now remember, you do these two rows. I'm skipping those because I'm making this video. I don't want it to be too long. But you can, you fill those in, and then when you're ready to start, push or start the video again. Okay, so now we're going to join the R and the L. I'm going to go up, slant down and around, and then we're going to go up and back around. You're going to loop back and then come around. Okay, so up, slant down into your U. This is an R and a U. Okay, now you make your R and L and your R and U. Okay, next we're going to join the I and an R. I, R. And then you pick your pencil up and dot your I. Okay, now you do that. Okay, next we're going to join the T and an R. T, R. Then you pick your pencil up and come back and cross your T. Remember, when you're writing in cursive, you never pick up your pencil until you're at the very end of the word. Okay, now make your T and R. Okay, here we're going to do a W and an R. I'm going to go up and make my W. Here's the check stroke. Now this is kind of tricky. Go up, put your check stroke on it, and then you come down, do your slant, and curve back around like that. That's a W and an R. Okay, now we're going to do I-R-E. Loop back on your E. Pick your pencil up and dot your I. Okay, now down here we're going to write some words. This first word is R-U-L-E. Rule. Okay, so R-U-L, loop back, E, loop back. Okay, now you write the word rule. Next, we're going to write the word reel. Now, this kind of reel is like a fishing reel, how you would reel in a fish on your fishing pole. So, R, E, loop back, E, loop back, and L, loop back. And now you write the word reel. Now we're going to go on to the word write. This kind of write is something you do with a pencil. You write your name. So here's my W with my check stroke. Now you're going to come over here, you're going to slant down and then curve back in to make your R. I-T-E. Pick your pencil up, dot your I, cross your T. Next we're going to write the word true. Oh, wait, I forgot to tell you to write your word right down here. W, R, T, and E. Okay, now the word true. T, R, U, E. Pick up your pencil and cross your T. Now you write the word true. Okay, now down here at the bottom it says circle your best short letter. So I'm going to circle a short letter. Wow, I really like that W right there. That's nice. Okay, so you circle your best short letter. Okay, so that's the cursive R. Don't forget to take a picture of your work today and put it on Google Classroom. See you tomorrow.